So let me show you the life of a reseller getting ready for a live vendor event. So I do on Poshmark as well. However, before Poshmark, I have been doing live vendor events. So let me show you just a little bit of a peek as to what it looks like getting ready for that. Are you ready? So let me see if I can turn it around and give you a peek at the. So we've got our bags that are stamped with the logo. We have some stuffed animals for the kids. There's some toys inside of here, and then we have hats. There's a bunch of more merchandise in here. I've got cookbooks and scarves and different things we need for behind the scenes. I've got a few winter coats ready to go this time around. And then here is all of the clothing in order to make our setup process a little bit faster. We decided to go ahead and put everything on the hangers and just fold it into the storage totes in order to make it easier. Once we get the clothing racks set up, all we gotta do is take these, pull them out, and hang them up. That should make that go a lot quicker than hanging things one by one. And we have our mannequin. She comes along with us. This is the shirt she's gonna wear tomorrow. Maybe put a little hat on there, or sometimes a necklace right here. So we'll do something like that tomorrow as well. Studio spot right here. This is where the photos happen for Poshmark. But anyway, and this is mostly Poshmark listings here, with a couple of bins at the bottom that haven't been listed just yet. So we are getting ready to go, and just wanted to give you a sneak peek. This is what it looks like behind the scenes, getting ready for a live vendor event as a reseller. So I would love to hear from any of you guys who do reselling. Do you do live vendor events? Have you done this with your items that you've purchased from the thrift stores, from the Goodwill outlets, yard sales, etc.? Or do you strictly do it online? I'd love to hear about that from you guys. I want to hear like your tips, your tricks, if it's worth it to you or not to do it. The vendor event I'm doing is down in our small town historic square. The vendor booth is like $25. And the first time we did one, which was in August, the booth fee was actually a little bit cheaper, but we sold like over $300. It was great. So that was really exciting for the very first time doing anything. So we're hoping to have another fun and busy evening tomorrow. If I have a chance, I'll try to get a little bit of video showing the fun and excitement about that going on for our vendor event. Thanks so much.